Good day, everyone. This is Mr. Faisal. Today, I'm going to discuss to you all about layer masks in Adobe Photoshop. Layer masks are a fundamental tool in image manipulations. They allow you to selectively modify the opacity of the layer they belong to. Layer masking is a reversible way to hide part of a layer. You can add black, white, or gray color to a layer mask. One way to do that is by painting on the layer mask. Remember, black on a layer mask hides the layer that contains the mask, so you can see what is underneath that layer. Gray on a layer mask partially hides the layer that contains the mask, and white on a layer mask contains the mask. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start. Let's open the images. Open this time. We're going to open and use these two pictures. I think you already have an idea what we're going to do. So using the layer mask, we're going to combine this face of a robot with the face of Mr. Brad Pitt. So let's press Ctrl J, duplicate, and then let's move it here. Okay, now you see the face is too big, the image is too big, so Ctrl T to resize it. So once you resize it, let's try to see again. I think this is too small. So let me just resize again, little, make it big. Now, as we try to fit this face, we can use this opacity here on the side. So just click the opacity and decrease it. Just make sure everything, the eyes, okay, the mouth is there. So if you think that you need to resize it more, maybe we can just resize it a little more. Maybe here, little. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Okay, this time I think it fits now very much. Now, okay, so let's increase now again the opacity, turn it into 100 to cover the whole face. Okay, let's duplicate now our main picture. So Control J to duplicate. Oh, let's press first Enter or the arrow key to apply this transformation, and then let's move on with this layer. Control J, and this will cover the robot's face. So take note, in masking, we need to add it first, add layer mask. And we have said earlier that black on the layer mask hides the layer. So since this is white, we are talking about if you're going to use white, it only contains the mask itself. So that will not going to show what's behind the face of Mr. Redfit. So we need to turn this into black. Okay, now it's turned to black. Now let's grab our brush tool. Okay, grabbing our brush tool and now going to select type of these. Let's make it smooth only. Okay, so after this, let's grab it here. There you go. So again, if you think this will not fit, okay, for example, we're done. Let's go back. Let's have the arrow key. Let's select. Let me just select the layer one, the robot, and the face of the robot. Control T. Okay. Control T. Okay. Again, you'll see a little more movements. Okay. I think that's enough. Okay. So let's go back with this masking part. Let's apply it first. The movement. So apply. Oops. Okay, here you go. Now let's select again our masking and let's continue using the brush tool. Okay, so here now you can say that this image already uses what you call masking. Okay, so by this, see this is the mask layer. So if we're going to look back with this robot, you'll see uh, what mask layer can do. So that's it. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to share and like it. Thank you for watching.